stated you have released it to divide the mandate in Kashmir region. How do you see it? And Umar Abdullah and Mahbub Mufti are...
Why are you forcing me to respond to a question which doesn't make a sense? Go and ask them how shameful they are that they are saying such words. I have been dying since last 5.5 years in Tihar jail. I have been victim of BJP. I have stood against the oppression. I don't want to speak about my suppression which I faced all these years. But feel some, let them have some grace. It is they who have been enjoying since last 5 years. They were all in agreement with BJP what they did. And I even wonder, I am sorry to say, even you people should also think 10 times whether to ask this question or not. If they will say 2 and 2 will not make 4, will you put this question to me, sir? I don't think so. At least as an intellectual, as a media person, I agree you have a right to question. But if everybody knows, I am the only lawmaker out of 87 MLAs who has been in Tihar jail since 2nd of August 2019. And where were those people? Who the hell they are? People have already taught him a lesson. How does he dare to say this? Shame on him.
As assembly elections are now ahead, it will be held in 3 phases. You have been able to field your candidates in almost all the constituencies of Kashmir. Mahbub Mufti is wondering how you have been able to manage the finances and field candidates across.
So I think when she says that, I wonder who had given, BJP has given finances in India, that means she knows how this system of finance works. Then she must have received funds from them in the past. Then she must be knowing everything. Go and ask her that who had told her, I have received funds from anyone. Can I say something in Kashmiri? Tul to at mang the Khudai's dua, yim panyan candidate and dahre pi this kuni party and donation to Karnu Khudai's Zil the car. Not the guest and Mahbub Mufti get this Khudai to Khudai's Usul. Pachman Brokhun.
Since you haven't released it, you have been telling that you were forced to support a particular candidate in Lok Sabha. Who is the candidate?
You know it when I said BJP proxy, did you not know? And I will tell you something interesting. It is Umar Abdullah when he said that, when at the start of the campaign he said that Engineer Rashid has been, he is innocent and he has been victimized by Sajjad Loan. He said it. I have the cutting with me. And now he is saying that he is BJP proxy. Ask Umar Saab, for God's sake, have some shame. What is he saying? Someday he is saying that I am a Islamic, it is victory of Islamists and radicals. He wants police New Delhi. Then he says he will not come out on bail. Then he says that if he comes out on bail, he will go again to jail. Then he says BJP proxy. If I am BJP's proxy, then why will I go to jail?
You are telling you were forced to support Sajjad Loan.
I have said you what I had said.
Okay. Who were forcing you to support Sajjad?
You understand better. Everybody knows it.
Well, how do you expect you would win Lok Sabha elections with such a huge margin?
Yes. I had forecasted to my brother on 10th of January 2024 that I will win with margin of 1 lakh votes. Then he turned angry. That was, in fact, after 3 days my phone was cut off. Then he said that Sajjad Saab is himself contesting. I said add 50,000. Trust me, I am not lying. I said I will win with 1.5 lakh votes. He said, what the hell you are talking? Umar Saab may contest from North Kashmir. I said then I will win with between 2 lakh and 2 lakh 20,000 votes. And it happened.
So how are you so confident?
Because I have been working on the ground. I am not a drawing room politician sitting in coach room chairs. That's why I could bear the pain in Tihar for 5.5 years. I will resign and make Umar Saab MP if he stays in Tihar jail for 2 days.
I have been following you since you were in Assembly as a member
Sir.
of Assembly from Lange. You have been propagating Haq Hamara Rai Shumari. Still for Rai Shumari?
What do you mean by Rai Shumari? First tell me.
So is it,
I am telling you the question. Tell me. What do you mean by it? I have said it in press conference also. Yesterday only Rajnath Singh said that people of POK are now ready, they are coming to us. Amit Shah ji said in the parliament, Modi ji said in the parliament. So I am telling them, Pakistan will not give it like a cake. And people in this part of Kashmir are, since 1947, they have been asking for resolution to Kashmir issue. And then people have been saying that there are your resolutions, let us implement them. So there are different narratives. All what I am telling that if, let me now agree to Amit Shah's narrative and Modi ji's narrative and Rajnath's narrative. People of J&K, people of POK, what they call, they want to be part of India. So the best way to do that is to ask them, because India is the largest democracy. Let the people of POK decide if they want to come to this side or not. And obviously, the people of this side will be also asked, because you can't ask aadha gilas bhara hai, aadha gilas khali hai. And if Modi ji has a better resolution, then let him come forward with the resolution. We will discuss.
Jamaat Islami has also fielded candidates. Mahbub Mufti isn't sure if they are truly back to Jamaat Islami.
So go and ask Mahbub Mufti. آپ مجھے بار بار اس کا کیا کہہ رہے ہیں؟ اتنی کیا امپورٹنٹ ہے وہ؟
How do you see the entrance of Jamaat Islami?
I will not comment. مجھے ان سے کافی باتیں کرنی ہیں، لیکن ابھی کچھ دن بعد کروں گا. Enough.
So, what would be the major issues for you in this upcoming Lok Sabha Assembly elections?
سر یہ دنیا کو پتا ہے، انجینئر شی 5.5 سال سے بند ہیں. کشمیریوں کی بات دیر آر ایک ایشو ہوتا تو بات کرتے. میجر ایشو از ریزولوشن ٹو کشمیر ایشو. 5 اگست 2019 کو 370-35 سے ہٹا دیا. لوگ جیلوں میں مر رہے ہیں، سوشل میڈیا پر بین ہے، ہمارے رائٹس ڈپرائیوڈ ہیں، اسٹیٹ کو یوٹی بنا دیا. کیا کیا نہیں کہیں گے. آئی ایم شیور وی ول ناٹ الاؤ مودی ٹو چینج دا گول پوسٹ.
Suppose you have fielded candidates. Suppose if you get a chance to support any party to form the government, will you do that?
Why are you calling it suppose? آپ کو وشواس نہیں ہے ہم پر؟ جب ہم جیل سے اتنا کچھ کر پائے تو سپوز کیوں؟ آئی ایم شیور. نو لیٹ یو ناٹ سپوز. آئی ایم ٹیلنگ یو اگر میں 10 دن پہلے نکل گیا ہوتا مجھے کسی کی ضرورت نہیں پڑتی. مے بی اف آئی نیڈ سپورٹ فرام سم ون آئی ول تھنک. جو میرے ساتھ جیل آنے کے لیے تیار ہوگا، ہو سکتا جیل آنے کا شوق نہیں ہے، خدا بچائے، لیکن اگر ضرورت پڑی لوگوں کی بات کرنے کے لیے، مودی کے بلڈوزر کے آگے کھڑا ہونے، تو وہ آئیں گے.
Would you prefer supporting regional parties or national parties?
کمال کی بات ہے. وہاں ریجنل پہلے ہے ہی کون؟ مجھے بتاؤ. کچھ تو بی ٹیم بنی ہے بی جے پی، کچھ کانگریس کی، وہ ساری وہاں پر ان کے وہ ایکسٹینشن ونگس ہیں. دیر نو ریجنل پارٹی ایکسپٹ اے آئی پی.
Basically, they are saying that he is going to ally with BJP.
ہو
Opposition parties in Jammu and Kashmir.
تو ان کو کہا ہوگا، پتہ نہیں، شاید میں سپنے میں آج میں عمر صاحب سے ملا ہوگا، اسے بتایا کیا کیا کہا. اور تہار مت آیا تھا سپنے میں عمر صاحب، میں نے اس کو بتا دیا، پوچھ لینا اس سے.
So, would you prefer to go with BJP if you get?
میں نے آپ سے کہا پہلے عمر صاحب سے پوچھ لیجیے، کل میں آپ کو بتا دوں گا. آپ مجھے کل فون کرنا، میں بتاؤں گا. یو ہیو مائی نمبر ناؤ.
Okay. So, Ram Madhav has also tweeted against you.
رام مادھو جی کون ہوتے ہیں؟
So, he is planning to
Who is he?
speaking against
میں نے پہلے بتایا رام مادھو نے کن کا آپ کہہ رہے ہیں؟ کون سے رام مادھو جی؟
BJP.
اچھا سوری، بی جے پی کے انچارج ایجنٹ کے. ہاں
So, he has tweeted and spoken against you.
ان کا رائٹ ہے، ہی کین اسپیک. اٹ از ہز آئیڈیالوجی. آئی ریسپیکٹ ہز ویوز، بٹ آئی ول ٹیل ہم دیٹ اف آئی ایم اے سیپریٹسٹ دین ہو از ود یو ان کشمیر. سچ بولنا سیپریٹزم نہیں ہے. I have taken over 2 times in assembly and once in parliament. My people have shown faith in me, and Indian constitution allows me to speak about the rights of my people, and they should not suppress my voice. People have given their verdict. Thank you.
So, if you form the government in Jammu and Kashmir, or if there is any other party that gets a chance to form government,
For me, government formation is not important. For me, important is to represent sentiments and aspirations of my people.
question is,
Sir.
who is the active chief minister and candidate?
ارے سر وہاں لوگ مر رہے ہیں، ہمارے کچھ رہا نہیں، کشمیری ختم ہوئی ہیں. آپ کو چیف منسٹر بننے کی پڑی ہے. مردے کبھی بولتے ہیں ڈو ڈیڈ باڈی اسپیک. کشمیر از لائک اے ڈیڈ گریو یارڈ. لیٹ اس ویٹ ٹل دین. ہو سکتا ہے کچھ بڑا معجزہ ہو جائے، لوگ 50 انجینئر شیٹ کھڑا کریں. صبر کرو، آگے آگے. ابھی ابتدائی عشق ہے، روتا ہے کیوں؟ آگے آگے دیکھے ہوتا ہے کیا. پکچر ابھی باقی ہے. ابھی تو اس کا وہ آیا، وہ ٹریلر کیا بولتے ہیں اس کو، وہی کہتے ہیں نا. مجھے پتا نہیں 5.5 سال سے ٹریلر بولتے ہیں نا. سکھا دو مجھے یار. ہاں کیا؟ ارے میں ان پڑھ آدمی ہوں، بتا دوں مجھے، سکھا دو مجھے. ہاں ٹیزر یا ٹریلر ایک بار پھر. تو پھر میں نے غلط کیا بتایا؟ آگے بتائے. ہو سکتا ہے تب سے لینگویج چینج ہوئی ہو، مجھے آتا نہ ہوا. آگے بتائے.
How confident are you? What are you expecting? How many seats AIP will be able to win?
مجھے اتنی امید ہے کہ جموں کشمیر کے لوگ میرے لیے نہیں، اگر انہیں کشمیر کو بچانا ہے، کشمیر کی مجبوری ہے، اے آئی پی ضروری ہے. دیٹ از آل.
They are questioning the timing of your release.
تو آپ جائی صاحب کو فون کرنا، وہ آپ کو بتا دیں گے. کل جانا ادھر، آپ ہی ان سے بتا دینا اس کو کیوں ریلیز کیا. ہی ول آنسر یو، ہے نا. جانا ان سے ہمت کرو، ان سے پوچھ لو. کہیں میں پی ٹی آئی سے آیا ہوں، انجینئر شروع کیا چھوڑا، پھر میں بتا دوں گا. اوکے، تھینک یو.